So these little teeth go in the top, like this, in the top jaw. And I'm actually going to put them back in there just to show you guys what it looks like. And then I'm going to take them back out because I don't want them to bleach in the sun. Come here. Look at this, Ryder. You ready to see it assembled?
Mm-hmm.
Avengers assemble?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. There's the beaver. Beaver skull. I don't want the teeth to dry in the sun and bleach, so I'm going to take them out of the skull before I set the skull in the sun. So these teeth I'm going to set inside because I don't want them bleaching in the sun. It would ruin the finish on them. They're nice and perfect looking. So the skull and the jaw, that's what's going in the sun to dry. If you guys enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe and keep on watching. Comment below and hit the notification bell. Thanks.